So, hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, I am back with my new another gameplay video. So, today we are playing Sniper Outpost #1. So, let's begin. We are newbie. Here is the lion. Sorry, bro, I am pro. Vashu. Match is going to start in some seconds. And here we are in the match. Here, there is the enemy. Got the kill. Let's take the sniper. Oh, lag. There was a lag, I thought. Here we respawn. And let's throw the grenades. Got the kill. We are on the second position. Got the kill. Oh, let's take the medkit. Got the kill. Here we are on the top, and here is the enemy. One headshot. Game over. Oh, suicide. Players only do the suicides only. जब वो मरने वाले होते हैं जब वो सुसाइड ही करते हैं बस. Here is the suicider. Got the kill. Now he is a suicider, not lion. Got the kill. And here is a suicider. Oh no. We are going to kill. Oh, got the kill. We are the luckiest one. Oh, got the another kill by a random grenade. Here is the enemy. He committed suicide because he is a suicider. New suicider. Got the kill. And mine. Here is the melee shot. Another kill. I have another mine, so let's plant it here. Oh, where is the suicider? That was my kill. Let's throw the grenades. Got the kill very easily. And let's go. There is a suicider. Why he is not playing? Take my melee. Oh, headshot. After headshot also he is not. Oh no. Lag. वो एक हेडशॉट के बाद भी नहीं मरा. This is the glitch of Mini Militia. our health is low and the match is over. तो guys, इसमें जीत चुके हैं न्यूबी. So let's exit. Now our outfit will be this robot and our name will be Born to Kill. Okay, Born to Kill. Let's play another match in Sniper Outpost only. Now the players are come in the lobby. Only 5 are there. पहले जब मैं खेलता था, जब एक साथ पूरे 6 के 6 बंदे आ जाते थे लॉबी में, अब कोई इतने इसको खेलता भी नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ एन अपडेट. नो अपडेट इज कमिंग इन मिनी मिलिशिया. एंड वेयर आर द एनिमीज? Only one enemy is there. Here we take on the medkit. Here is the headshot. Only one enemy is there. There is no fun to play with only one enemy. Leave the match. We'll play another match. This ads also now. These ads are very irritating in Mini Militia. Let's play the another match. Now all the enemies are there with us. Now there is fun to play Mini Militia. Here is the known player also. Let's throw the grenades. Got the kill. Lag. Jack Sparrow is on the top. Jack Sparrow is on the top and got the another kill. Oh, we are going to kill. Oh no, that is also a glitch. उसके नीचे मेरा बॉम्ब फटा फिर भी वो नहीं मरा. Very lags are in the game. This game is full of lag. Got the kill. And let's move on. There are the enemies. And got the kill. We are born to kill. Throw the grenades. Got the kill. Got the kill. Here we are a pro gamer. Oh. Oh. Nice melee shot by the way. Grib is playing well, but we are born to kill. Here's the kill. Here's the kill. We have done third party in this. Got the kill. Let's take the medkit. And let's do the third party. No profit to do the third party in this Here is the enemy. No shot. Oh no. RK boss killed us. He is also playing well. Here is the Jack Sparrow. Oh, gas bomb. Nice trick, by the way. Got the kill. Got the kill. Oh, nice shot. NS. मैं बस छुपने ही वाला था, जितने में उसने मुझे एक शॉट मार दिया. Got the kill. Oh, ऑल प्लेयर्स आर डूइंग सुसाइड. जब भी वो उनकी हेल्थ कम होती है और जब कोई आता है वो सुसाइड कर लेते हैं. गॉट द किल. Oh, nice grenade. Nice trick. And match is going to over. Only 10 seconds are left. So let's go. Got the kill. So guys, match is over and the winner is Born to Kill. तो गाइस, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो उसको लाइक करना, शेयर करना अपने दोस्तों के साथ. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना और इस वीडियो को लाइक करना. थैंक यू फॉर सीइंग. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.